Hey guys, it's me, Risa. I hope you're doing well. I am not in my kitchen. I am at work in the staff room. And you noticed right here, there's a huge fridge. And there's actually another fridge. There's microwaves, there's ovens. There's lots of things here, which is great because I bring my lunch and I always make it every single day. Well, actually, I make a lot of stuff ahead of time and bring it, and then I prepare it here so it's nice and fresh. So I'm just going to show you an example of what I do each week to keep me focused, prepared, and on track. Okay, so let's get started. Well, you notice my big Costco bag, and I bring lots of water. I have my homemade coffee, and I always get a coffee for a special treat at lunch because I break my fast. So I have a big bag, and and I also have my 2 bowls. I'm ready to start preparing my salad. So I have my spinach, I have my broccoli, I've got some chicken meat. I like this sometimes in my salad or as a snack. More waters. I made a simple salad dressing. Funny, I'm a Built Bar ambassador, and I use this for my water and drinks, but I also like using it as my salad dressing holder. It is amazing. So you can get one from Built Bar if you want. I have some black olives this week. I change it up all the time. Here's my cucumber. That's going to last for several days. I have a pear, some apples that I'll cut up. And I love fruit in my salad. And I have a tomato, some blueberries. This week, I'm going to add a little bit of feta cheese. It's light. I love flavor. I'm going to add some red pepper. And I know I have another pepper, a yellow pepper, some romaine lettuce. I'll wash that. I have some shredded carrot already. And I have some shrimp this week. Oh, and the other main thing that I made this week, and you can find my recipe, is quinoa. So healthy. And this time I actually cooked it in chicken broth. Somebody told me to do that. So just for extra flavor, make sure you wash it really, really well so you don't get that bitter taste to it. So you can see, oh, and also I brought some extra lime and lemon juice. Usually I use fresh lemon and limes because I like to add that to my salads just to spread out the dressing even more. And I love the flavor of the freshness of lemon and lime. So I'm going to assemble my salads. I like making 2 so that they're ready for 2 days in a row. And then I make another 2 for the next 2 days in a row. So I will show you what they look like assembled. So I just assembled both salads. If you notice in this one, I already added the protein. Doesn't it look so colorful and beautiful? So I added the quinoa, the feta cheese, and my shrimp. And I've cut up all the vegetables and fruit because I'm eating it today. I don't like a mushy salad. So for this one, you can see it's all prepared. It's in bigger chunks because I'll cut it up tomorrow and I will add my protein tomorrow morning. And of course, I don't add the salad dressing until I use it at lunchtime or my brunch time because I do intermittent fasting. This recipe was very simple. I just played around and added some fresh garlic cloves, lemon juice, rice wine vinegar, some olive oil, and then I added a little bit of some Dijon mustard to just make it a bit thicker. And that's it. It's delicious. So you just play around with it. You can check out lots of my salad recipes on my YouTube channel, Risa Weiner. So that's it. I'm going to now put them in the large fridge with all my other stuff. I think I take up half the fridge, but this is what helps me to stay on track and focused, okay? And honestly, if you do the same thing, it's going to help you. Change it up. I have so many recipes. I make quiches, I make stir fries, I make burgers, tortillas, like all kinds of different things so that, you don't get bored, right? And I love changing it up because then you're going to be motivated to stay on track and be successful. All right. So I hope this was helpful. I love paying it forward. I love hearing your comments. Please remember, I can't talk, remember to share my YouTube channel. All my recipes and ingredients are underneath each video, okay? Even this one, I will make sure that I write out everything that I've done. So take care. Love you guys. I got to get ready and set up my classroom. That's it. Bye for now.